I am Saint Germain. You are living in a world of duality, and you are changing within that world of duality. The biggest step to changing in that world of duality is accepting the duality, accepting your divine nature, and accepting the dark nature, the shadow nature as well, and bringing them together. What happens then? You become something new. The vibration shifts, the race changes, and that is happening. I am Saint Germain. I have spoken to you in the October full moon, in the September full moon, in the August full moon about accepting the divine nature. Accept the divine nature. You have accepted it. The majority of you on this call has accepted your divinity to varying degrees. You have spoken it. Speak it now. I accept my divine nature and accept that I am divine. I accept my divine nature and accept that I am divine. I accept my divine nature and accept that I am divine. And drawing the breath in. Drawing the breath in. Sit with that. Some of you have accepted it 5%. Some of you have accepted it 50%. Some of you have accepted it 75%. You are still accepting it. When you fully accept yourself as divine, your world will change. That is the world around you, the world that you have created, the world that you live in every day, which is not the same world that everybody else lives in every day. This is something that humanity has never understood because of shared conscious connections, because of shared vibratory patterns, because of shared memories, shared physical bodies. All physical bodies are connected on the earth. You are all connected. There is no separation. You are all from the same vibrational patterns, and so ultimately you all come from one. To see yourself as so separate and different races, different genders, different communities, different spiritual religions, different political ideologies, different ways of being, is so silly because you are totally one on some level. Breathe that in now and think of that. Think of the people that you have needed to forgive. And now, it's like a pebble in a palm, stretch out into the world. Think of the races that you may have to forgive. Think of the the teachers, the government officials, the army, the whatever it is. Collectively move into areas that you don't understand now. Collectively, individually, move into groups and places that you don't understand. Move into the darkness. Move into those who steal and those who burn and those who pillage and those who hurt others. Move into bigotry. Move into murder. Move into torture. Move into rape. Move into the painful things in this moment. The ones that are closest to you in your life, the ones you have most recently seen on the news, the ones that are in your consciousness from past life memories. Move into them now while you tone. Tone together 9 times, moving into the darkness within yourself. And simply breathe that darkness in yourself and breathe light and love out into the world with your tone. Ready? 5 times. By breathing the darkness into you, by breathing the fears in and the images in and sitting with them, at the same time using the outward breath to bring joy into the world, you transmutate inside yourself. You transmutate inside yourself, and thus you begin to transform your world. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Breathe in, breathe out. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. There is no reason really not to be joyful, and yet your mind can give you many, many reasons. Your feeling body can give you many, many reasons. Take a breath and tell yourself now, there is no reason not to be joyful. This doesn't mean that you are being silly and ignoring the pain and the sorrow in the world. That is why we had you breathe into it. By being able to breathe into the darkness, you understand the capability that the humans have in a dual world of the deepest depravity, of the deepest, darkest thoughts, of the deepest, darkest actions and activities. And you understand that humans have an equally capability of the lightest light. Focus on that for a while. And as you begin to accept the darkness, you create the light. The light is born out of the darkness. The light blooms within all of you. The light blooms in your world. The stars shine brightly in the dark sky, in space. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Bring the energy of the violet flame within your being. Remember to laugh, remember to share, remember to do everything different. Your holidays have a need to be different this year. And let that difference be how you approach them. Let that difference be how you move through them when you interact with the people in your life. Interact with the deepest love, starting with the deepest love for yourself.